The slim, Metro water pitcher with filter holds 6 cups of water, enough to fill 2 24-ounce reusable water bottles, and it is made without BPA. Get great tasting water without the waste. By switching to Brita, you can save money and replace 1,800 single-use plastic water bottles a year. This space-efficient Brita pitcher fits perfectly on refrigerator shelves, features an easy fill locking lid and is easy to pour. Height 9.8. Width 4.45. Length, depth 9.37. Weight 1.39 pounds. Brita is the #1 water filter reducing chlorine, taste, odor, mercury, copper, zinc and cadmium. Always get cleaner, filtered water with an electronic indicator that makes filter reminders effortless. Compatible with Longlast and Standard water filters. For the freshest tasting water, replace your Longlast filter after 120 gallons or approximately every 6 months, or Standard filter after 40 gallons or approximately every 2 months. 16.9 ounces water bottle. Based on IRI data. Versus tap. Top reviews from the United States. Great water filter. I bought this just to try it out because our water here isn't always the greatest tasting. We buy bottled water mostly or get it through our filter system on our refrigerator. But to my surprise, the water actually does taste better coming from this pitcher. The setup was quick and easy, and the price is well worth it. Now we can save a few dollar not buying as much bottled water thanks to Brita. This is the 6-cup pitcher which fits nicely in the fridge, but I'm going to order the 10-cup pitcher and use both.